Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the all-new 33 Outrage Boston Whaler. So in the bow area of the 33 Outrage, you'll notice we have a nice teak table for dining, great seating all around, windlass anchor in the front. You see the two rod holders here, which operates the sunshade for the bow, and you have a nice lounge seat here. So at the helm of the 33 Outrage, you'll notice we have skyhook joystick control, which has autopilot built in. Two large Simrad 20-inch screens, which will give you radar, fish finder, or GPS. Up top here, storage, Simrad, VHF, ship to shore, as well as the Seakeeper display, which this boat is equipped with. Fantastic helm seats as well, with the flip down bolsters, so you can sit. Armrest flips up. Just a great layout for a helm. In the cockpit of the 33 Outrage, got a great use of space. You see the aft seat here. When not in use, you can fold it up, gets completely out of your way. You also have another teak table that goes here for dining, a fantastic bait prep station, sink, pull-out drawers, tackle storage, and a nice dive door on the port side. Really great fish boxes in the floor. You can fit a large wahoo. Also have a livewell or a cooler built into the transom as well. Nice bait prep station here, sink built in under the Corian lid. Paper towel holder, great tackle storage as well. And when not in use, you can close this up. You got a nice handrail as well. Thank you for taking a look today. And if you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.